Good morning, guys. Today I am Mr. Binok and another happy face, and he passed his exam first time. Congratulations, Mr. Binok.
Thank you so much. I just passed my driving lesson first time.
And thank you so much. And how was your experience with me as a CDI, please? If you explain.
So my experience with CDI was very, very, very good. Actually, I was very late for my driving lessons, and sir taught me everything in very nicely. Everything that I needed for my test. He guided me and he told me everything pin and point, like what to do and everything. And finally I just passed my test. So it was a very good experience with CDI. I will ask everyone just to come and join with sir, and it is absolutely a great experience with sir. And thank you so much, sir,
You're
for
welcome.
helping me to passing my things. It was very necessary for me to pass it my first time because I was waiting for driving license, but sir make sure that I passed it, and it's all credit goes to sir, and sir helped me so much.
Thank you so much. Very kind of your
Thank you
words,
so much.
and have a safe drive for your life.
Thank you so
And
much, sir.
It's very good achievement.
Yeah,
Once
thank you so
again.
much. Thank you
You're
for your
welcome.
time.
And thank you so much, guys. See you next time with another happy face. Take care. Bye bye.